how to delete your Facebook account permanently. For that, you have to make sure that your Facebook is up to date. So just go to your Play Store, and if there is an update option available, just tap on update. So after you do that, you want to go to your settings. Before the update, under your information, you could find the option of your account ownership and control. But right now, after the update, Facebook has removed it and moved it to the account center. So at the very top, you can see your account center. Just tap on it, and all of your connected accounts will be shown here, your Facebook, your Instagram, everything. And from here, you want to tap on personal details, go to account ownership and control, and here is the option for deactivation or deletion. So tap on it and choose the account you want to deactivate or delete. I'm just going to do my Facebook. And if you just want to temporarily deactivate, you can choose the first option, but if you want it to be permanent, choose the second option, tap on continue, and it will ask you for a reason, so you can choose whatever reason you want and tap on continue and simply click on continue. Before you delete, Facebook will ask you to do all of these options. If you want to download your data and download all of your information, you can do that and tap on continue. And for verification purpose, Facebook will ask you to enter your password. After you enter your password, tap on continue. Your account will be permanently deleted. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.